One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
On 1969, July 20, for the first time, humanity has raced even further and more ambitious into space. The first step in another celestial body, which sparked the beginning of a new era of human exploration. Today, we are looking into some of the milestones of human exploration after the historic moon landing. To see the next big achievement after the moon landing, we did not have to wait much long. In 1970, a Soviet spacecraft Venera 7 landed on Earth twin Venus, and for the first time, our spacecraft successfully landed on another planet. These days, we all know the importance of a space station, but the first ever space station, Salyut 1, was launched in 1971 by Soviet Union. Later on that year, Mariner 9 became the first robotic probe to orbit the red planet Mars. It contributed greatly to the exploration of Mars. On 14 December 1972, Apollo 17 blasted off from the surface of the moon, and Eugene Cernan became the last man on the moon since nobody returned to the moon in last 5 decades. Mars was always been our amazement, and on following that amazement, on July 20, 1976, Viking 1 became the second spacecraft to soft land on Mars and the first to successfully perform its mission. In 1977, we have sent 2 spacecraft taking advantage of favorable alignment of gas giants, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. The twin Voyager 1 and 2 spacecraft are exploring where nothing from Earth has flown ever before. Both spacecraft carry a golden phonograph record that contains the information that humanity existed on this pale blue dot. We always felt the need of a reusable spacecraft. On April 12, 1981, for the first time, Space Shuttle took its flight, which was the world's first reusable spacecraft. On April 24, 1990, in a cosmic shift, humanity has ascended its eye, the Hubble Space Telescope. During these 30 years of launch, Hubble has surpassed all expectations, beaming back data and images that have changed scientists' understanding of the universe. And after 3 decades, is still revealing new mysteries of the universe. On March 22, 1995, Valery Polyakov returned to Earth from the longest ever stay in space by a human. Till now, the longest streak of 437 Earth days in the space station is held by him. Outer solar system was always been our attention. To compensate with that, we launched the Cassini orbiter to orbit Saturn on October 16, 1997, which turned out to be very successful. Also, it carried a passenger with it, ESA's Huygens probe. Not only that, we have also landed on asteroid. On February 12, 2001, the Near Shoemaker spacecraft for the first time landed on an asteroid, which is pretty extraordinary. On January 14, 2005, ESA's Huygens probe landed on Saturn's moon Titan, the only landing accomplished in the outer solar system. It was the first landing on a moon other than Earth's moon. Returning a sample from space with the help of robotic spacecraft is more than extraordinary. On 13 June 2010, Japanese spacecraft Hayabusa brought the first sample of an asteroid back to Earth. On August 25, 2012, Voyager 1 entered interstellar space, and later on, November 5, 2018, Voyager 2 also entered interstellar space. The forgotten planet Pluto was also explored by us humans. When the New Horizons probe flew by Pluto on July 14, 2015, during its flyby, it revealed wonderful secrets of Pluto. On April 2019, scientists published the first ever image of a monster, a supermassive black hole in galaxy Messier 87. It was captured by the Event Horizon Telescope collaboration. It won't be bad to consider it one of the best things of 2019. Most recently, the history was written by a private space company, SpaceX, When it returned the American astronaut from its soil, this mission opened the door of endless possibilities. Those achievements in human history did not come without a cost. In our journey, we have seen ups and downs. There were disasters, there were deaths. But it's human desire to seek knowledge that gave us the hope for exploration. But we have not done yet. We have to send more powerful telescopes. We have to return to the moon more sustainable way. The Mars is still waiting for the first human steps on it. The moon landing inspired generations of people, and after half a century of Apollo landing, we just have begun. This journey is into the unknown.